What's going on, everybody? Today was a pretty uneventful day for me. So this vlog is going to be pretty short. Today all I did was scrub more data, get everything ready, all our campaigns ready for the week as far as ringless voicemail and text messaging go. I didn't really have anything exciting happen. You know, we did close a deal today, so I am very happy about that. Didn't even have to leave my house because, you know, when you're closing these wholesale deals, you usually don't have to be present for the closing. And I don't pick up checks anymore. I just get them all wired into my bank account. So I'd show you guys a check, but you know, it is what it is. Lately, you know, it's been very uneventful around here, not really much going on. We've kind of settled all the stuff that we needed to get done. And now this week, I'm pretty sure something will pop up, maybe an appointment. I know tomorrow I do have to pick up a key for the closing that happened today. And I'm gonna go deliver it to my buyer. So I'll show you guys that house so you can see the deal that we did and how we were able to do it. This house was pretty distressed. A couple title issues here, a couple liens that we had to deal with, as well as probate. It did make the situation a little bit more complicated than usual, but we were able to get through it. I'm pretty happy about it. Now, as you guys know, I do my marketing a certain way. It's probably different than most. Keep track of it on this notebook. And it's basically just to, you know, get an idea of who I'm targeting, who I'm hitting, and be able to split up my marketing on who's getting hit when. Because, you know, if I were to hit everybody all at once every single day, I'd be sitting here pulling my hair out because we have too many leads. We have about 2,000 leads right now that we're consistently contacting. So it would get out of hand if we were contacting them on a regular basis every single day or even every single week. Usually I rotate them out every, you know, maybe 500 leads every week. That way I know, you know, who to hit next week and who not to hit. You know, it's a cycle that you guys will all get into one of these days. If you're already wholesaling, you know, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Cycling out your lead, hit your old leads, hit your new leads, and then, you know, vice versa. It's a blueprint that you'll build for yourself in this business, and over time you'll understand it better. So I'm gonna cut this here. I don't really have much to talk about. This is more of a video journal for myself to kind of keep track of what my everyday activities are for the future. I can't wait to look back on this in a year and think, wow, what an amateur. But I'm excited to see what this is gonna bring. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. I hope you guys have been enjoying all of my videos lately. I'm gonna be posting as much as I can, and I definitely am gonna come out with a new vlog every single day, even if they're just as boring as this one. Just so you guys can see my journey, see me prosper. I know that I'm not living on a, you know, in a $1 million house or, you know, riding around in my yacht, but one day maybe that could come. Who knows? You never know, you know, what the future may hold. Definitely your goals will make it happen for you. So take it easy, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will catch you guys on the next vlog.